Hello friends, welcome to Goan Food Diaries. Today let us see how to clean the prawns. You might feel cleaning the prawns is a difficult task, but after watching this video you will be confident enough to clean any type of prawn. As you can see, the prawns are fresh. Wash them well with the tap water. I have already washed the prawns. If you see, there is a hard shell which has to be removed. From the neckline, peel off the hard shell. While peeling off the shell, the swimming legs will be automatically peeled off. If you are preparing prawns for party, then keep the tail to give it a stylish or a fancy look, or else you can peel it off as it is not eatable. Now, using a fish scissor, cut off the head only up to the eyes of the prawn. Use a regular scissor in case you don't have a fish scissor with you. Now peel off the shell from the head. These are the walking legs of the prawn. Now cut off the walking legs of the prawn. Once the walking legs of the prawns are cut, we are going to remove the greenish vein. At the neckline, you can see the greenish vein which we have to remove. Pull the vein slowly. If you find it difficult to remove the vein the way I showed you, then you can put a cut here with the help of a knife and remove the vein. Do not cut the whole head as the prawn's actual taste lies in the head, and also do not wash the prawn after cleaning. Thanks for watching.